Welcome to this video about the top skills you need to succeed in online money making. With the internet taking over many aspects of our lives, it has become easier to make money online than ever before. However, succeeding in this field requires certain skills that are essential. In this video, we will discuss those skills that you need to master to succeed in online money making. The first and foremost skill you need to succeed in online money making is time management. Time is money in this field, and you need to learn how to manage your time effectively. Efficient time management will help you complete your tasks on time and take on more projects, ultimately leading to more income. Therefore, it is crucial to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and work according to a schedule. Another essential skill you need to succeed in online money making is communication skills. When working online, you may have to deal with clients from all over the world. Therefore, it is necessary to be able to communicate effectively and convincingly. Good communication skills will help you build strong relationships with your clients and increase your chances of getting repeat work. To make money online, you need to market yourself and your skills effectively. Therefore, marketing skills are crucial for your success in this field. You need to be able to create a compelling brand and establish your expertise in your chosen niche. Moreover, you need to know how to promote your services and reach a wider audience to attract more potential clients. The online money-making field is continually changing, and you need to be adaptable to succeed. You need to be willing to learn new skills, embrace new technology, and adapt to changing market trends. Moreover, you need to be able to handle unpredictability and be open to new opportunities that come your way. In conclusion, to succeed in online money making, you need to master essential skills such as time management, communication, marketing, and adaptability. By learning these skills and implementing them in your work, you can increase your chances of success and establish yourself as a leading player in your chosen niche.